So how do you fix a stopcock that's leaking? Essentially that's what you have up in your attic here, and the water comes in here, right? And then when the water level in your tank drops, this drops and opens a valve here, and the water drips into your tank in the attic. So here goes. So here's the fault. If you listen. Right, this is open now, right? That's the water flowing, right? So when this closes, you shouldn't be able to hear air coming through there because I'm simulating the water here. So listen. So I'm going to show you what's wrong now. I'll start by dismantling the stopcock. First of all, there's a wee split pin there. You would have to spread the split pin and pull it out. So, and then this comes off here, right? And then inside here, you've got. I'll show you how it works first. This goes up and down and moves this wee valve. See it? So anyway, that's that wee valve. And then this goes into it here, as you can see. And then this wee valve shuts and closes against. There's a washer on here, rubber washer, and then there's a wee inlet, wee water inlet there. So that's essentially what you have there. So if I was you too, I would give this a wee clean, because sometimes the manufacturing isn't very good on these. So you're better flattening this. Give it a wee tiny rub with a file. Make sure it's perfectly flat. So that goes in there. Just put that back on. Oh. And then put the washer on. So we're moving on to this now. So I'll show you what the fault is here. I'll take this out to show you. This goes, when this opens and closes, it's simple. There's a bit of rubber on there, and when it closes, the rubber hits against that wee thing, and it's supposed to stop the air. I'll show you now. But there's still a wee bit of air getting through, and I'll show you why now. This rubber washer, because of years of constant this and this going out and in and out and in, the rubber has worn here around the where it's supposed to shut it off. So what you do is, it's simple. Slip out the rubber washer. It comes out from the top down. I'll get it out here, I'll show you. There we are. It's just a wee round circle of rubber, but I don't know, you probably won't notice in this camera, but I'll show you. It's all bumps there, and dents and bumps with it constantly going like that. So the simple solution is, you've got a perfectly flat edge on the back there. Just swap the washer around, so as the good edge is pointing out. Right, I'll show you now. I'll put it together, how effective it is. If you just bear with me. So that's the rubber washer slipped back on. Now we'll just put the stopcock back together again. So if a stopcock doesn't work anymore and it doesn't stop the water, is it a cock? I think it is. It's a fucking cock whenever your overflow floods your ceiling in the middle of the night, and that's what happened to me last night. That's how I noticed. So we'll slip this back together. Put this wee end on here. The wee end just stops that thing moving. That's another repair done. One time I tried to bend a stopcock and it fucking broke off on me. So I made this wee sleeve and drilled a hole in it and shoved the. Anyway, it's a different repair. You could just buy a new fucking stopcock. Right, I know. Just put the split pin back on there now. Make sure that's lined up before you do it. Otherwise, the arm will go on properly. Put your split plumb through. Get a wee bit of something. Bang it through completely. And then bend your wee pin. It just stops there from falling off. We're just bending the wee split pin. I actually broke one end of the split pin, so I only have one end, but it should be enough to hold it on. Right, so that's what you've got there now. That's back now, up and down. So I just have to screw this back on now up in the loft and see if it works. But I'll show you now, for instance, right here, listen. That's it open, right? That's it closed. It sounds good, but we'll not know until we get the water pressure on it. So I'm gonna pause it. So that's where it goes there. I'm gonna pause this again because I forgot to bring up my torch. There we go. We just screw that back on there now, and the rubber washer goes against the wee vinyl washer there too to help things. So I'm just going to screw this back on here. 2 seconds. I'll pause this and get a wee stand. Now you know what? I'm not even fucking. So that's it back on there. Look, you see, I just have to tighten this nut. Now see this nut here. The way it's moving there still. I'm just going to tighten that nut, and then we'll see if it works. So that's it tightened now, and you can see the water's coming out of there now, but I haven't got, my water hasn't even turned on yet. That's just because I've got a faulty stopcock under my under my sink. So I'm just going to lift this. Let's see if I can set this torch down so you can see it. Right, I'm going to lift the stopcock now and to simulate the tank being full of water, just to see if it stops the drop even. Seems to have stopped the drop there, so I'm going to, well, let's see, now there's a wee bit of water coming out of there. Right, I'm going to go down and turn the water on now on the sink and see if it's worked, because it seems to be stopped here alright. As you can see there, it's back on again. I'm going to drop the stopcock. So I'm just going to go down and gently turn the water on here on the sink. I'm going to get it. So we can see the water flying out there now. So I'm just going to pull this stopcock up to simulate. I'm just pulling this up to simulate the water, the tank being full. So that seems to have fixed it. Look, there are no leaks at all. So stopcock up. Leak has stopped. So that's how to fix a faulty stopcock. Thanks for watching. I'll just show you it drop now.